Bullish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 30 cents to 41 cents. Cardano cost could reach 60 cents soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 18 cents. In this Cardano cost expectation 2023, we will examine the value examples of ADA by utilizing precise dealer cordial specialized examination markers and furthermore foresee the future development of the digital currency. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This supportable blockchain utilizes the verification of stake agreement system, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. At last, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated into the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as an updated form of Ethereum's brilliant agreement organization. Besides, it means to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano value expectation 2023 Cardano positions 7th based on CoinMarketCap and conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time span. In the above diagram, Cardano spread out a flat channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. By and large, the flat channel is shaped during cost union. In this example, the upper trend line, the line that associates the highs, and the lower trend line, the line that associates the lows, run evenly equal, and the cost activity is held inside them. An even channel is in many cases viewed as one of the most reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in combination. At the hour of examination, the cost of Cardano was recorded at 27 cents. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of ADA could arrive at the opposition levels of 31 cents, $4,338.81. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ADA might tumble to the help of 23 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength record of Cardano are displayed in the graph beneath. The specialized examination marker relative volume is utilized to quantify the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is normally determined by partitioning the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Likewise, it helps dealers in recognizing uncommon exchanging movement and changes market feeling. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Cardano was found underneath the end line. Hence, it means a powerless volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This energy pointer is utilized to streamline cost information and distinguish patterns on the lookout. It helps in working out the normal cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout recent day. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upturn, and whenever laid underneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Prominently in the above diagram, the ADA cost lies under 50 MAMA, demonstrating its downtrend. Thus, ADA is in a negative state. Albeit this is the present status, a pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the general strength list. Essentially, this investigation marker assists brokers with deciding the strength and energy of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by contrasting the normal additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Consequently, the readings over 70 demonstrate an overbought state, and under 30 show an oversold state. Essentially, dealers frequently utilize the RSI to distinguish potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's heading. For example, assuming a resource is in an upturn and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might propose that the resource is expected for a pullback or revision. On the other hand, in the event that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might propose a likely inversion. At the hour of examination, the RSI of ADA is at 22.45. Accordingly, this shows ADA is almost in an oversold state. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. ADX, RVI in the beneath outline. We examine the strength and unpredictability of Cardano utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers, normal directional list, and relative unpredictability file. To break down the strength of the pattern energy, let us observe the typical directional record. The ADX esteem is gotten from the two directional development pointers like plus DI. DI is communicated between 0 to 100. As per the information on the above graph, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of $45.78, bringing up serious areas of strength for it. The above outline likewise shows another specialized marker, the general instability file. This marker estimates the unpredictability of a resource's cost development over a particular period. Concerning the outlines information, The RVI of ADA lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. Correlation of ADA with BTC. ETH. Let us currently look at the value developments of Cardano with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of ADA is like that of BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of ADA additionally increments or diminishes individually. Cardano value expectation 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized examination pointers and pattern design. Let us anticipate the cost of Cardano somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Cardano value forecast 2024 on the off chance that bulls overwhelm the value force in pattern designs. Cardano could effectively test and outperform its obstruction levels to hit $2 by 2024. Cardano cost expectation 2025. The huge overhauls in the Cardano biological system could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Cardano cost to reach $4 by 2025. Cardano value forecast 2026. If Cardano effectively tests its significant obstruction levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then, at that point, it would energize to hit $6. Cardano value expectation 2027. If Cardano supports significant opposition levels and stands as a superior speculation choice on the lookout, then ADA would revitalize to hit $8. Cardano value expectation 2028. If Cardano holds a positive market opinion in the midst of the profoundly unstable crypto market by driving huge cost rallies, then, at that point, ADA would hit $10 by 2028. Cardano value forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, then, at that point, the crypto would observe significant spikes. Thus, ADA could hit $12 by 2029. Cardano value expectation 2030. By 2030, the ADA cost could revitalize to $14 in the event that the pattern energy adjusts for Cardano. Moreover, ADA would hold a positive market opinion and be named as a drawn-out venture with exceptionally productive return on initial capital investment. And if Cardano secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be ideal for the cryptographic money. Taking everything into account, the bullish Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 41 cents. Relatively, the negative Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 18 cents. On the off chance that there is a positive height in the market force and financial backers feeling, then Cardano could hit $1. Besides, with future overhauls and headways in the Cardano environment, ADA could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 and mark its new ATH. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local digital currency of Cardano. Cardano is a shrewd agreement put together blockchain working with respect to the verification of stake agreement sent off in 2017. 2. Where might you at any point purchase Cardano? Dealers can exchange Cardano on the accompanying digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bitfinex and OKX. 3. Will Cardano